In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect StayFree with Notion for effective time tracking. This guide is perfect if you're looking to optimize your workflow, by integrating time management directly into your Notion workspace. First things first, let's navigate to the Notion page where you want to set up your StayFree integration. Open your Notion application or head to the Notion website in your preferred browser. Then find the specific page you'd like to connect to StayFree for tracking your time. It might be a project page, a dashboard, or any place where you manage tasks. This is important because integrating time tracking where you plan and execute work is key to enhancing productivity. Once you have your page open, you're ready to move to the next step. Now we need to get the link from StayFree. So open StayFree on your phone or whichever device you're using for tracking. Look for the option to generate or share a link. This link is essentially a bridge that connects your StayFree data with Notion. When you generate a link, StayFree creates a unique URL specifically tied to your account's time tracking data. This URL is what allows you to embed or reference your tracked time within Notion, keeping everything organized in one place. Once you have located this option, simply copy the link to your clipboard. It's just like copying a website link, ensuring you have it ready for pasting into Notion. With your StayFree link now copied, head back to your Notion page. Here's where we bring it all together. Locate the spot on your Notion page where the link will be most useful. This could be in a dedicated section for time management or directly within a task list or project plan. By placing the link strategically, you make it easy to access your StayFree data whenever you need it. Then click to add a new block or edit an existing one where you want to paste the link. Paste the StayFree link here. Notion will automatically recognize the link, allowing you to access your time tracking data directly from within your workspace. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain a seamless workflow, reducing the need to bounce between different apps or tabs. And there you have it. You've successfully connected StayFree with Notion. With this integration, you're not just tracking time, but integrating it into your workflow. By embedding StayFree into your Notion page, you create a centralized hub where you can manage tasks and time seamlessly. This streamlined setup can greatly enhance your productivity, making it easier to keep track of how you spend your time and where efficiency can be improved. Happy tracking, and I hope this setup empowers you to achieve your goals more effectively.